Hi, as I said, here's my video once I put it together again. Well, if you notice here, the hole's a little bigger. I still have to close it up better, but here's a fuse holder. If I open it up, you'll see there's a fuse. Just got a response saying that somebody said not enough soap and hasn't been used for a while, and maybe that's why the fuse popped. Well, it just goes to prove the fact, like I said, that I barely used it and it died on me. It is plugged in right now. I'll just, even though there's no water, I'll just show that it does run. Okay, and if you like, I'll remove the fuse just to show that it's not a dummy fuse and not just sitting there doing nothing. Again, here I can turn it on. You see, turn it on. I'll, as you're watching me, put the fuse back in. And there you go. Go back up. There you go. There you go. Like I said, someone said it's not having been used enough or not enough soap in the water, so dried up and causing some stress on the machine and causing the fuse to pop. But even so, one hell of a place to put a fuse, and one hell of a job to take it, and one hell of a, definitely not, nobody's gonna have done that for $75, which is in their limited amount for their 3rd year of warranty. Anyways, have a nice day and thank you, and hopefully this helps someone. Thanks, bye.